What's up, Tech Nation? I want to talk about a simple, inexpensive device that I just purchased. I haven't used it yet on my show, but I was over at it's a place called Old Red, downtown Nashville. It's Blake Shelton's new restaurant, and a lot of YouTubers and food bloggers were reviewing this restaurant. And at the top on the roof was a girl who was filming herself, Selfie, and she had a light attached to her iPhone. And I thought, what is that? And she says it's a selfie ring light. I'm like, really? Wow, that would be great. How many times am I filming? It's dark and you can't see anything and you're trying to talk into a dark camera. Can't stand that. So let me show you up close what it looks like. It's a selfie ring light. So I bought two of them. Why? Because I might break this one, or I might lose this one, or I might just give this one away. So this is it. I bought this on Amazon. It is $12 on Amazon, I believe, somewhere around there. You can get them for less money, but they're going to require batteries, and I didn't want batteries. This one has a mini USB port that you can charge this device, which is great for me because I always have one of those in the car. So if I'm going to go on a shoot, I just plug it in before I get there. It's designed like a clip. See this? See how it clips? And the way it works is like this. You literally clip it to your phone. It doesn't damage your phone at all. You clip it like that. The camera is right in the center and it doesn't see anything. Doesn't see the light at all. See how it doesn't show? The camera is right here where my finger is, but the light is around it. And then when you want to use the light, you just turn it on. That sucker's bright. It's got 1, 2, 3 light settings. So let me show you what it looks like with the finished product. This thing's great. Okay, so let me find a room that's dark, my dining room, and let's pretend like I'm on the rooftop of a restaurant where it's nighttime and there's just not a lot of lighting. So let's go like this. This is really not a good light setting. So let's put our camera thing on. There we go. Where's the button? There it is. And let's try just the first button here. Okay, so now I can talk to you guys. You can see when, oh wow, I need to shave. Getting real grubby looking. Wow, this light shows everything. And that's at the lowest light setting. So you have that light setting, you have even brighter. Oh yeah. If you really need to get into your face, I don't think I'd ever go this bright, but there it is. It's like the blazing sun. And you can talk to the camera and it works great. I noticed that it kind of fogged out a little bit there. So I moved the ring light to the other part of my phone, away from the camera, right on the top here. So my ring light is right there. Okay, now let's turn it on and see if that does better. Oh yeah, that's a light source that I could work with. That is much better. Okay, so just to show you guys what it's like if you're filming with the other side of the phone. These are my coffee syrups in the kitchen. It's really dark. And if I turn on the ring light, you now have a clear picture of everything. You could film if you're in an area that doesn't have any light. You can do it either way, that way, or you can use it on the selfie camera. So that's it. You'll see there's a ton of these all over Amazon. I'll link down below the one I have here, and you guys decide which one you want to go with, all right? But give it a try, and if you think of another way to use this light on your phone, just let me know down in the comments below. But those are the ways I'll be using it. You'll be seeing this light a lot more, but you won't really be seeing this light. All right, guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next episode.